folks. Jeff Fear. Just a little demo I've been looking at. This is the NQ in NASDAQ on the 5-second time frame, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, the 5 second. I went back here in a bar replay to Thursday at 1 a.m. Eastern. The reason why I went back to that is because it was only, that's how far it would take me in the premium. I've got two boxes, one from 1 to 5, 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard. I've then got one from 7 to, I'm not sure if it's 11 a.m. or midday. So two boxes, and we only take trades inside two boxes. One is blue and one is grey. So what first thing I want to do is I'm just going to let this run. I'm going to try and press start here and see if I can let it run without me doing anything. So what I'm seeing here, it's green, but we've really got to it. It's going up, it's going up. So the question I have is, if your stop loss below there, could you got a nice trade? Oh my God, look at the power. 5 second chart. Rob, pass your funded account almost.
Mm-hmm.
So just take that from there. Stop loss below one of these. You would enter when it goes above one of these brick structures. As long as it's in this, as long as that. For me, I actually like these to be aligned. So that's another option there. Or if you've never got in there, there's your breaker structure. Yeah, but because of that, your stop loss is too long there. You can just squeeze that underneath up there. But personally, you could quite easily just, when it breaks that there, enter the trade. So I apologize. Now, this is on our stuff we created today, some of it. And you can see there, oh, so I apologize. I'll put it below there. The challenge is where'd you get out? Yeah, went yellow, exit the trade. There's 2%, so I'll just carry on. Or I could stay in the trade because this is still green. So stop that there. It went red. So this is not red. So we do not take a sell and we do not take a buy. Do you see that there?
Yeah.
So we get the first trade there. This is red. This is green. So we do not take the trade. I'm expecting this now to push up purely because of that, unless this comes down. But guess what? I don't really care. I want to see all red or all green. That's what we've been talking about the last couple of days. I'm doing a 5 second chart. Okay, stop there. That there represents a red. And now we'll have a line it has to break for it to be an entry. There's your breaker structure, Rob.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not saying we're in it yet, but let's just say we'll pop that there. Stop loss would have to go above there. I don't know. We'll just see. We'll just see if it enters, and we'll see if we can get 1.5%. I don't know. I've not tested this on the five. On other time frames I have. Let's just see what happens. Is it going to go red? It broke through. We're in the trade. Come on, get down, come on. So there was amber, so we can stop there. We either choose to exit the trade there, so it went amber. That's about, or we just stay into whether it's going to be a loss or a take profit. So that's part of the rules we've got to make up. So I was went for amber. So there it was, that one there. So another 1%. So we've got to wait for everything to be aligned, either all green or all red. The grey represents red at this moment in time. 5 second time frame. Now, that was beginning at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes? I started at 1. Right now, we're 3% up. Now it's 10 past. 10 past 1. Now, you've got to put spread and stuff in for that, I understand. But in 10 minutes, we're 3% up. Let's carry on. Red stop there. So there's a break of structure, Rob.
Yeah.
Which you like. That's red or red. So this would have to go above the high. Someone would have a set of rules. And I'll see if I can get 2% out, 1.5%, 2%. Let's try and get 1.5 every trade. Oh. But we stay in the trade until it goes yellow or green. So here we go. I'll stop there. At the time, according to this, it's 20 past. Stop there. I missed that. Wasn't quick enough. So we stopped when I went amber. Yeah, so that's 0.5%. So the time there, so far, 3.5% up, it's 20 past. Yeah. Now it's green, green, green. So green, where's a break of structure? Is there any break of structure, Rob?
Yeah, of course. Just
Where?
after you've gone,
We need a red. Well, there's actually one there.
yeah.
God. Red means buy, green means sell. I know it seems weird. It's just this was that one right there. I'll just go check. Yeah, red. So that goes there.
Where that dotted line is, that's it.
Yeah, but you would only do it if it's green. That's green, and that's green. So the stop loss goes below some low. Yeah, there we go. I'm looking for 1 or 2%. Go for 1.5 again. Here we go. Or you stay in the trade until it becomes amber. Yep. Here we go. I'll just let it go. It's not amber, still green. So I have to stay in the trade. Right now I'm going to drag this up here. So all these are, if you've missed the entry, you can get in at any one of these. Because there's a breaker structure, every single one of these. So I'll take that there. So gents, Ganache. So the time there, that's 29 minutes, 30 minutes. What percentage is there?
12% on that last one.
Yeah. So, got to get some music on for that, haven't I? So, Eric, Wade, what do we think of that then? I think it's time to salsa all down. So let's carry on. 30 minutes. There you go.
Well, if I had a trade that produced 12.6, I'd certainly be dancing.
Okay, so officially we're still in it. We just wait for it to go amber.
Yeah.
Oh, amber there.
Yeah.
Exit the trade. Boom. Now we wait for them all to go. We wait for them all to go red. We only have one red, so there's nothing. So in 30 minutes, that's 12, 13, call that 14 and 15, 16%. Yeah, we've got spread and stuff to take all up. 16%, and that took 30 minutes. For those people on here, what we're doing on these sessions, putting stuff together, is absolutely incredible. I gave Rob a task to do, but I've done it for him. Taking the stuff, what we did today in the session, and added a break of structure into it, and this is results, but I put it down to the 5-second time frame. I think that's worth a bit of music. Welcome, Edward. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm good.
Good. Now, Edward
Yeah.
next week will be bringing a smart money break of structure, chalk strategy to the group. He's looking for some help with that, and we can help him out. Does that sound fair enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Eric, if you want to bring something to the group, get feedback from the group, get help from the group, please bring it. We'll do whatever. Come on next week and just let's work together. Is that okay, Eric?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Because the more brains, the better helping you, and it gives the people in the group a chance to like develop their skills working on other strategies. Sam, do me a favor. Okay, charger, please. So carry on. So this is if it's all green, we take a buy. If it's all red, we take a sell. Grey down here means a sell. So that's what percentage was that in 30 minutes, guys?
16, was it?
16% in 30 minutes using a 5-second time frame. 5 seconds.
Is this strategy on the Zoom from this morning?
This is made up 30 minutes ago.
Okay.
Based on this we've been talking about, this we've been talking about, this which we started introducing yesterday. Yeah, and I added one of my other favorite things. I asked Rob to do something with breaker structure today, because this guy here is an awesome trader. If he does 5 trades a day, he wins 4. If he does 6, he might win in a bad day 4. So I asked him to do a breaker structure, but guess what? I did it myself. So now we're waiting for this to go. So this is it live. Nobody's seen this before. Waiting for these to go grey, or so this goes green again. So it looks like it's going down. They're not all. So stop that there. You do not take a sell because this is green. And apart from that, yeah, I've never tested this in a 5-second before. So here we go. But we're still not getting into that sell because the bottom is green. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it now. Every one of these. So we've got grey. It's just starting to go grey. So for that to enter, we have a break of structure. But we don't have to use this one. We can actually use this one here. Because these are all little breaker structures along the way. But as long as you've had it, I would use that one there. And just after it. So but the challenge is now is a stop loss because it's quite small between there and there. It's really quite small. So I'd potentially put it up above that flat there. This is the thing would have to be automated. So if it was automated, it would be above there. So let's just do it. Put it above there. Let's put it above there. It'd be a tick. And let's try and get 1.5%, 2% out of it.
What about ATR bands? Can you not put that in?
ATR bands, that's the other way. Yes. ATR bands, that's the other way. But let's just put it above there. Let's try and get 1.5%. And remember, this is the 5 seconds. So far, that's 40 minutes into the London session. And we're 16% up from yesterday. So let's carry on. Now it's got to break that to be into the trade. Another winner. We'll stop that though. Once it went amber, we exited the trade. Yeah, so that wasn't much, but let's see how much that would have been. Virtually nothing. Amber there. One of these, that would be the second candle. Yeah, so we got 0.5%, call it that. Not a lot. Covers the spread, that's about it. So we have a green, we have a green, we have a green. There's a breaker structure, boom. We're in the trade. Where's this? Right there, boom. Anyone agree so far? Let's try and get 1.5%. Well, we just go and turns amber, so here we go. Is that another win again? Rob, is that another win?
Certainly looks as though it's on its way.
There's the line there. It's already achieved 1.5%. Boom.
So what MA line are you using there?
Sorry?
What's the MA line?
There's not a moving average line.
What's the green line?
We spoke about that today. Wade had on and removed it. So let's just carry on. Let's just see. Amber. So we stop the trade. First amber. Pull that down. We get the first candle, then we have to close immediately. Next candle. 1.62. Sorry, this would be a 55 and there's something else. Apologise. Wasn't it? But it's not. Is that an MA? Yeah, it's something like an MA. So let's just carry on. So now we're waiting for this to be red, this to be grey, or sorry, grey, because I've actually changed these. So let's just carry on. Eric, Edward, Wade, Rob, please ask as many questions as you like. Okay, we have a red. So there we go. Enter the trade. Where's the break of structure? Now, Rob is the break of structure king. I don't. Okay, with this is too far back. Yeah, this is too far. You should really only do it for 20 candles maximum. Yeah, 20 candles maximum. That's too far back. So you really need something else for a break of structure. Going to be honest, I might just drop like a stone, but there isn't one. With the rules, Rob will be able to. Okay, we've got one down there for some reason, but never mind. Okay, we have something here.
What indicator's giving you the break of structure then?
The one I've got on.
Yeah, what is that one?
I don't know.
Oh.
It's all based off a super trend, actually, but it's not a super trend. I removed all the super trend stuff. Yeah, so we've got that breaker structure there, but it's got to break it. All will come clear. But it's got to break that to enter. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just trying to. We never entered the trade. We never entered the trade. We've got a breaker structure up there for a buy, but everything's got to be green. We've got a breaker structure down here. We really got a. But we've got one there. Still not in the trade yet. It looks. What time of the day is it? That we can still take the trade, but it looks like it's consolidating at the moment. Doesn't really look exciting, does it? Would you enter that trade the way it's looking at the moment?
No.
Completely flat. See that, gents, there? So we need this to be grey and that to be grey, or that to be green and that to be green. We need both of them to speak the same language. This is short term. This is long term. Edward, Eric, feel free to speak. So stop there. Apologise. It took so long. Does anyone see any red or green dots? There's a green there. There's a red right there. Would I have got into that? I don't know. So if that broke there, was that already grey? Yes. Was that already grey? Yes, it was. So that there. That there. So where does this go? Above the high. That flat there. We'll develop probably something. 80 bands is probably the way to do it, Rob, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's only happening because that is grey and that is grey. This is red. So I'm trying to get removed. So now wait for one amber. You could probably do this manually, but you get fed up winning. You'd probably want to stop, wouldn't you?
No.
This is London session. Oh my God, look at the power of this. You could probably get fed up. Look, and if you miss that entry, There's another. There's another. There's another. There's another. There's another. You ever seen anything as powerful? 15%. 18%. Not went amber yet. And it's under this line that hold. Oh, amber, exit that trade. It's another 18.67%. And the time is, we started at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard. That's 2 hours and 6 minutes. Have you seen enough? That's all. It's the 5 second. This is AI doing its thing, bringing this stuff together. Then I just had a brainwave, and I went, I haven't even tested this. And then I went, boom. I initially had this in Renko's, and said, you can't do this on Renko's. You can't do this back test on Renko's. So I replicated it a different way. So without giving the strategy away, I'm going to work over it over the weekend. But does anyone have any questions other than the settings and that for just now, please? I did promise it was going to be a quick 10-minute video. So in that time there, 1 hour and 6 minutes, let's see what we've got on a 5 second chart. We have 2%, 3, call that 3.5. A bit more, but let's call it 3.5. Plus 12, 15.5. Sorry, apologise. Maybe I should do that again. Look, it's all the time. It's not, it's constant. I'll start again. 2, 3, call that 4, 16, 17, 18, and I've missed half out, 18, 19, what's that? What's 19? I can't even count that much. 19, 29,
nearly
30,
40%.
37% in 1 hour. 37% in 1 hour. Eric, Edward, Wade, Rob. This is what happens, the group coming together. I was never this good previously. So I want to thank the group.
Yeah, that's insane, man. That's great.
We're only too happy to help you, Jeff.
It's using what we've been working on. We've been using this here. When you've been using this. Yeah, the last couple of days we've been using this. And I added some secret break of structure sauce today. And we'll get that. All will be revealed on Monday. So I encourage you on Monday to bring your own strategy. Get feedback, get help from the group. Yeah. As well as we'll see what's there. Does that sound like a plan?
Yes.
It certainly does.
Yeah.
And once again, thank you very much. And I'll see you all at the top.
Have a great weekend.
Yeah, bye.
Take care.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.